Namaste and welcome. I'm Dr. Anamika Ashok, an Ayurveda doctor, and I'm grateful that you're here. Like many science students after the 12th grade, I dreamed of becoming a doctor. I wanted to serve, to heal, and to make a difference. Destiny, however, had its own plans. It gently led me towards Ayurveda. To be honest, in the beginning, I didn't fully understand its depth. But as I walked the path, studying, observing, and living Ayurveda, I realized it's more than just a system of medicine. It's a way of understanding life, of healing both the body and the mind. Over the years, I found myself drawn deeply into the healing through the gut, the skin, and most importantly, the mind and emotion. Because in Ayurveda, they are not separate. A clear gut supports a clear mind. Balanced emotions reflects on your skin. This channel is a space for me to share what I have learned, not just from books, but from people, experiences, and nature itself. I'll be sharing Ayurveda lifestyle tips, food and gut rituals, emotional reset techniques, and natural ways to care for your skin, hair, and soul. Whether you are new to Ayurveda or already practicing, this space is for you. A place to learn, heal, ask, and grow naturally. Go ahead and subscribe and join our healing community. Let's walk this journey together. I thank you for once again being here. Stay focused, stay rooted. It's me, Dr. Anamika Ashok, signing off with a gentle reminder health is the only wealth that stays for a lifetime. Thank you and namaste.